Good morning. So today I'm going to show everybody how to make a post in your weekly discussion board. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the course that you need to post a discussion in. And then you want to go to the sidebar here and click on modules. Next, you're going to scroll down to the current week and you want to select discussion, showing, not telling. That is the week's discussion. And then you can read through and see what is expected of you from your professor. And when you're ready to make your post, you're going to click on reply. You can type in your post. And when you are all done, you come down here and you click on post reply. And that's it. Pretty simple and straightforward.